Hi everyone. In the last video, we have seen the basic graphical user interface of Turbomole named TmoleX. In this video, we will see that how we can import the coordinate file for a particular structure, how we can draw 2D or 3D molecules, and how we can convert the smiles to 3D structure. So starting from importing the coordinate file. So initially we have to figure it out that what all coordinate file formats it supports. So all sorts of different formats for a particular structure or molecule it supports, ranging from mol2 format to STF format to .chem 3D and .cosmo format also. So I have one of the structure. I'm going to open it for you. So as you can see, the number of atoms which are present in that particular structure, element which defines the atoms, and we have X, Y, and Z coordinate that defines the space which is occupied by that particular atom, or where that particular atom in space is present. So when we go to, if I wanted to visualize this particular atom, I can go to the Open 3D Molecular Builder. I will just maximize it so that it could be visualized properly. And as you can see, the structure which I have opened it. Of course, I can go for the pre-optimization of this structure, but we will talk about optimization and pre-optimization in the later parts of the video. So let's close it. Now let's talk about the second method, that is Open 3D Molecular Builder. I will maximize it. Of course, you have given the building blocks for the particular molecule. You have alcohol, certain or different amino acid residues. You have halogen groups ranging from chlorine, iodine, bromine, and all different. You have small common rings. If you wanted to draw the structures using these basic nucleus, of course, you can do so. So if I wanted to select any sort of alcohol, that is isopropanol, and I wanted to add carbon here. So I have list of all the atoms here. So as you, whatever atom you wanted to add to your particular molecule, you can select it from here and you can just click on it. Yeah. So as you can see, I have added a carbon atom. Now, if you wanted to add nitrogen to this particular molecule, of course, you can select the nitrogen and add here. So likewise, you can change the molecule, you can play around with it, then you can pre-optimize it. So this is also one of the method. We have one more methods, of course, if you have the smiles format, which you can easily download it from any of drug bank, PubChem, or any other database. You can paste it here and just generate or add molecules from the smile format. I'm going to close it. Now we have one more option here, that is draw in the 2D format. So if I wanted to draw, I have certain nucleus which has been present out here. So suppose if there is caffeine molecule, as you can see, the molecule automatically came on my screen. Now I have the actual smiles, which is downside. So you can see that. So you can get the smiles, or you can get smiles and close. So that smiles will be visualized here. Now, if you wanted to change this smiles to 3D format, you can just click on this particular option. It will take some time, and as you can see, automatically the smile will get converted to 3D structure. And if you wanted to change in this 3D structure, of course, all the options is available here. So in the later parts of the video, we will explore more about the drawing of molecule, optimization of molecule using different basis sets and level of theories. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.